everyone, so today we are going to be doing a very exciting video. Now this video I honestly wasn't even expecting to do because I thought that this whole video concept came and went, but when I asked you guys on Twitter and Instagram if you still wanted to see a what I got for Christmas haul, you all really did, so I guess it's still a thing. I don't know, I guess so. If it's not, it wouldn't be the first time I did something when it wasn't on trend. So let's just go ahead and get into it. This is going to be what I got for Christmas this year. I do celebrate Christmas. I also want to make this video really easy to edit because my grandparents are here and I never get to see them, so I don't want to be editing the whole time. So let's get started. Alright, so first things I got are some food. I got some Christmas Smarties. It's in a little like snowman. I freaking love Smarties, and some, I don't know how you spell it, Lindor chocolates, and also York minis. Now, if you've never tried these, oh my gosh, has someone in this world never tried these? So good. They're little mints. The inside's white. So good. I literally cannot stop eating it. You can't really tell because I covered it up so much, but I'm breaking out so bad around the mouth, which usually is like stress and food, I think. And I've been eating so much sugar, so it makes sense. And I've been stressed. So. And then for my aunt, I got this little necklace. It's got this pink pendant on it and a little M. I don't know if she made this. She's been really into making jewelry in the past, but it's really super cute, and she gave my mom a yellow one because pink's my favorite color and yellow is my mama's. Also, yes, I am sick, as you can tell from my voice. I like to get sick when it's most inconvenient, like around the Christmas season. So I kicked that into high gear very recently. From Luke, okay. So I had asked him for this, and I only asked him for this. So I'm very happy that he pulled through. It is the Hypnotic Poison Dior perfume. I get on these like excited endeavors over perfume a lot, but this one has been a lengthy one and I have not bought it for myself. If you've never smelled this and you're in a drugstore where they sell it, please pick it up and give it a smell, and like let me know if you love it as much as I do, because it smells so much like vanilla. I just love it. You know when you're baking something and you like drop some vanilla extract in it and you're just like, I want to try it, I bet it tastes so good, then you taste it, it doesn't taste very good. Well, this smells like it, so it's good. And then he also got me this little candle, which was funny because when he gave it to me, I was like, it's a candle. And then I was like, it's a Yankee candle, like I knew already. And it's called Life's a Breeze. And there's a funny story behind this. So we were on a trip and we were in a store and I was smelling this candle. And I was like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. But we were traveling and I wanted to travel light. So I was like, I'm not gonna buy a big heavy candle. So he went back and he bought it and he brought it home, so that was nice of him. So, and then for my brother Tate, he got me these blue light filter computer glasses. So if you've never heard of these, basically it's a computer glass that is, it is glasses that has a specific lens that is supposed to counteract or protect from blue light, which is like iPhone, any phone, laptops, and it's really harmful for your eyes if it's too bright or if you're on it a lot. And I get like massive migraines and my eyes really sting because I'm on my computer a lot editing for like hours and hours and hours and hours, sometimes full days. So he heard about these glasses and was really, really kind and got me a pair. Here they are. Back when I used to wear glasses, I had glasses like this. So now when I'm editing videos, I'm just gonna put these on and hopefully they will help counteract the light that is really harmful for my eyes. So it's a really super nice gift, and this was from Tate. I'm really excited to try them out and see if they help with my headaches. And then for my other brother and his wife, which by the way, he has not been in a video for probably a good 6 years. When I first started my channel 6 years ago, he was in a few videos. I don't even know if they're still up now, but he was in videos, but you guys definitely haven't seen him, so a lot of you don't know of him. But I do have 2 older brothers, so he's the oldest one, and him and his wife got me this Body Shop coconut box. And inside, it's backwards. Inside there is a body butter, hand lotion, scrub, oil, another lotion, and a loofah. This is such an amazing set, especially for me because I use all this type of stuff. And also coconut, are you kidding me? I love coconut. But the main thing they got me. This is the sweetest thing. I actually cried because I was so caught off guard. I don't cry a lot, but like this little guy is like my softest spot that I have. So they got me a pop socket. Here is what is on the pop socket. My baby. My little baby. I can't even look at it. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to have it on my phone because every time I look at it, it makes me like upset. As you guys know, I lost my soulmate basically, and they put him on a little pop socket, so I'll always have him, and it's also pink, so it's super cute. That was a really nice gift. It did catch me by surprise. Now, most of the gifts I get are from my mom and dad combined, but lately my dad has been getting me something specific just because he wants me to know that he's picking out stuff as well, because usually it's like my mom picks it out and like puts both their names on it. So he went to Lush, and he knew I had just bought my big Lush box, but he wanted to get things that were a little bit different. So he got me a face mask and also these things. These are, I guess, shampoo and conditioners or something like that. Like, I have to still Google what these are, but they smell amazing. And also this one, I know what it is because it says hair conditioner on it. Now this is awesome because obviously there's no packaging to this. Once you're done with it, it's disintegrated, not disintegrated, dissolved into your hair. So that is such a cool concept. Also lip balms, a scalp treatment, which is really freaking nice, and a lip scrub. And it's fun that he got me this because my mom actually stole my other one. So really nice of my dad and really cute. I always like getting things that he picks out because like he doesn't know anything about it, so it's kind of fun to see what he chooses. All right, and then in my stocking, here is my stocking. If you guys have never seen, my grandma actually handmade it for me, and it's really super cute. It's Santa hugging a reindeer. It's really cute, but in here I got a little loofah. I've been really needing a loofah, so this is nice. Now I have two. And also spray-on deodorant. Funny story, I had other spray-on deodorant and I needed dry shampoo and I sprayed it in my hair by accident. I'm sure a lot of people have done that, but there I have another one to spray in my hair by accident. And also these EOS lip balms. Me and my mom really like these still because we don't lose them, because you can't like put them in your pocket and lose them because they're so big and round. And the last thing in here are some Jeffree Star cosmetics. So my mom never knows what kind of makeup to get me, and I always say anything from Jeffree Star I'm gonna love, and I hardly have anything from him. So she got me two shades that I'll wear a lot. As you can see, they're very similar because I wear almost the same thing on my lips every day. So it's Birthday Suit Skin Tight and one of his new liners in the shade Celebrity Skin, and one of these velour lip scrubs in Strawberry Gum. Oh my word, he always talked about how amazing these smelled. And I was always like, yeah, it's a lip scrub. Like, I'm sure it smells great, but like, you're nothing special. Well, I was wrong. This is something special. It's literally amazing. The rest of the stuff I'm going to show you is from my parents. I'm going to go through it super quick. First things first, this little coconut. It's a carved coconut and it's a soap holder, and also this little loofah soap that my mom got in Hawaii. By the way, my Hawaii vlog is going to be up hopefully within the next 2 weeks of my Hawaii trip. You guys, it is so funny. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Our whole family trip is going to be on it, so I'm really excited. But okay, Argan Oil. Wait, this isn't Argan Oil. Amber and Argan Bath and Body Works Sugar Scrub. I love this for when I'm fake tanning. So I had told my mom I really wanted new makeup brushes, and I actually showed her exactly which set. They're from Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio brushes. Now this is a really, really affordable set that's actually amazing. So if any of you guys want like an affordable brush set, this one's really, really good. They could charge way more, but they just don't. All right, and also from my parents, I got 2 pairs of shoes. So I had asked for some winter like riding boots, not like horse riding boots, but kind of looks like that, just so I can wear long socks with them, just because I do not like when snow gets in my shoes. So in the winter, I just wear really high boots. So the first pair is from Steve Madden, and they are black with gold on them. I have a monitor now, so I'm like kind of always confused. But yeah, they got this gold. They're 6.5, which is awesome. And then the other pair is by Guess, and it's kind of the same style, except it is brown, and it's got gold again. These are so pretty. Like, I like to wear like knee-high socks and jeans with these. I cannot with snow in my shoes. I cannot. All right, and I talked about this set on my Instagram. If you don't follow it, please go follow it. I've been trying extra hard on it. I got this sweatpants set. So here is the top and then the matching bottoms. I've been wearing this all the time, like every day since Christmas now. They are from Hollister, super soft. You cannot go wrong with getting a sweatpants set for me. It's just a home run slam dunk. All right, and also from Hollister, my parents got me this winter jacket, which I really wanted a winter jacket, but for some reason would not buy myself one. And it's this so fluffy on the inside. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. And it's black and it's a little bit longer. I think it'll look really cute with the riding boots. Super happy to have that. I just like to feel warm in the winter. I'm not that girl that wears like a long sleeve shirt, jeans, and like runners. Not her. I'm not her. I'm bundled up. All right, and last but certainly not least, I had said that I really wanted new bedding, just because the bedding I use in my room is our Guestroom Bedding, so it doesn't really match my room, and I really worked hard on the aesthetic of my bedroom. A little over a year ago, I did a video on it, and the blanket wasn't that comfortable, so I stole the upstairs one. So I wanted bedding that matched. So they balled out and got me this fluffy UGG bedding. And I actually used this last night, then packaged it up for the video. But this, I felt like, you know that Simpsons episode where he rolls up like a cinnamon bun? I felt like that 100%. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel. If you're ever at like Bed Bath & Beyond, go and feel this. It's amazing, and I can't even believe they got me this. Like, so nice. But yeah, so that is absolutely everything I got for Christmas this year. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let me know a bit down below in the comments what you guys got. I'm really interested to hear. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to share more videos with you guys in this up and coming year. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!